It's time to play Sonic. The gang's all here. But we can't forget everyone's favorite Eggman. Looks like Amy Rose needs to scramble some eggs. Careful now, breakfast will be over in a bit. Uh-oh, we broke the screen! Well, time for some hands-on experience. Let's dig into all those little bits and pieces. And don't worry, from the ashes, we can rebuild. It's alive! Alive! Well, artificially, but still! Ooh, the Sonic Gang is having a camp out. Let's just hope there's enough marshmallows to go around.
Run! It's an evil robot!
Sure, robots don't eat, but his doctor buddy looks hungry. He sure has an appetite for world power. Maybe you should put down the stick. Because it looks like it's time for you to go fast.
Go!
It's time to crack some eggs. Yeah, I'll be here all day. Now let's get back to camping. Chili dogs, anyone? Wow, now that's what I call a squishy Sonic. What big eyes! And he's always wanted to be taller. But this might take a few more adjustments. Just trim off a little and hook him up to our machine. See? I always knew there was room for growth with him. Careful now, I think he's getting a big head. But he's still a lot of fun. He's practically our blue bouncing ball. Ooh, this fidget spinner kind of looks familiar. That's it. It looks like Sonic's legs when he's on the go. In fact, we could take advantage of the resemblance. Whether 2D or 3D, Sonic's got a need for speed. But it looks like Eggman wants to get moving too. Easy fix. We just need a paper clip. Just twist it up and hook it to this little box. Now, Dr. Eggman, why don't you take a seat? Want to go for a stroll? It does the walking for you. Amy Rose has got a full tank of gas. And you know she's not afraid to use it. Look, this tricked out car has a few tricks of its own. Though I hope she's got a seatbelt and maybe a helmet. What she needs is a road to rage on. And we'll give her plenty of cars to keep her company. Now hook it up. We want to keep things all in one place.
Vroom, vroom.
Why don't we call one of our old Sprunky friends to help? Keep your eyes out, Orin. Let's make sure Amy is safe. Then again, maybe we need to keep everyone safe from her. Our clay pals are all smiles, literally. Plus, they're all really fun to squish up. Though, be careful, they don't really unsquish. But they do seem to have a bunch of fun treats inside. Wow! A ring! Diamond sold separately. I wonder what other goodies they've got for us. Oh, look! Knuckles has another gem, too!
Ooh.
Ah, jewels. You can never have too many. But let's see what Eggman's got in store for us. Well, there's only one way to find out. A cockroach. But it could be worse. It could always be a distraction. Sonic's got a special surprise for you. It's a great big blue balloon. Ooh, watch your spikes. We can't pop it. It's gonna be our next craft. Cover it up with glue. Remember, make paste, not waste. Sonic, you've got paper stuck to your shoe. Why don't we put it to better use? Like paper mache. It'd be a shame to let all that blue go to waste. The balloon did its job. It can take a break. And this shell could use our favorite hedgehog. Oh, you went to the ice cream stand? Wait, stand. That gives me an idea. Make Sonic his own stand. This will really help him light up the room. There's a reason Sonic's everyone's favorite hedgehog. Looks like our next craft's gonna use cardboard paper. We're making an Amy Rose style camera. It's got her name on it, and her face. Just push her buttons and she'll snap that shot. Of course, catching Sonic's no easy task. You did it! And Dr. Eggman acts like it's hard. Enlarge! Who knew Sonic was so photogenic? In fact, save that photo for later. Of course, we could sure use the rest of him. Sonic might be flatter than normal, but he's still got moves. And Knuckles is never far behind. Sonic's a speedster, even when in bath bomb form. But it's more fun for bath bombs to sit back and soak. Maybe we should have used a bigger bathtub. But we can still have some fun. Oh, the ring from before. Talk about a callback. Sure beats catching fish in a barrel. Ooh, reel it in. You've caught yourself a Sonic. Let's hope he washed behind the spikes. Plus Tails and all our other friends. It's party time. Let's dance. When it comes to candy rings, go big or go home. That's cool, but some prefer the handmade touch. Give these strawberry candies a bit of a pestle push. We can use it to whip up some cotton candy. These both look good. You want to trade? Ooh, a gummy ring! Dig in! You won't chip a tooth. Now for the candy floss. Hey, don't rain on her parade.
Oh no.
No candy allowed. Well, at least you've got math. Oh, careful with that sugar mastic. It kind of looks like an eraser. But we can make it anything we like. It's math class, so how about a calculator? Can't forget the numbers. Or symbols. Just make sure you use edible ink. Now let's see if it passes inspection.
What?
Well, let's see if it can do equations. It can. Oh, just what can't candy do? Of course, the real test is in the taste. And it looks like it passes with flying colors. Here, why don't you try for yourself? Marshmallows. But it's still math class. Uh-oh. It looks like someone forgot to study last night. But maybe those braids of yours can help. Wait a minute. These are marshmallow too.
Hey!
Oh no!
And you're not a real blonde either.
Uh-oh.
We better hide the squishies before he notices. Let's leave this stuffing for the squirrels. Besides, we can use them for a new craft. Just add toothpicks. Soon, you've got a zoo. I mean, sure, candy's not allowed in here, but I'm sure art class projects are okay. Wow, good thing he forgot this was math class. So, why don't we sneak in a few bites? You just know this is how he saves on snacks. Always gotta trick up your sleeve, I see. Okay, everybody, take out your notebook. It's time for your daily journal entry. Hold on, he's being called away on an anti-candy seminar. Which means all that candy's left unguarded.
Wow! Come on!
Grab a balloon. We're gonna need a lot of hot air. Next, add some blue paint. We're making a decoy globe. This girl really is a woman of the world. Now ditch the real one and get into place. Guess that lecture on marzipan ran longer than expected. Now why don't we sneak in a quick treat? And it looks like you're in good company. But some people just can't handle the tooth.
Ouch!
Ooh, they say the world's a scary place, but not quite like this. It's gym class. Let's warm up with push-ups. Wow, all this exercise is sure paying off. You're already sporting a six-pack. Hold on, it's your secret stash. Well, you need energy. But candy's not allowed in this class either. Don't worry, she snuck in popcorn, caramel popcorn. And what can't be improved by chocolate spread? Something tells me she's got something in mind. A football. Pigskin without the pig. Or skin. But there's plenty of pop to go around.
Hey!
Uh-oh, quick, go long. Forward pass, other sports term. Ooh, now that's what I call a fumble. Poor thing, you've earned a little treat. You'll never pass the bar with behavior like this, young lady. Here, let her help you with your lipstick. I think she's got some secret plans for it. First, we need some pink chocolate. Add some heat, let it melt, and stir things up. Now pour it into an empty lipstick tube. Try it out. And how about a quick nibble? Silence!
Hey!
The artiste is showing you his process. Start with basic shapes, like triangles and squares. And voila! You've got a palatial estate. Guess an artist can't reveal all their secrets. Well, Why don't we craft something more our own style? Simple recipe. Mix some yogurt with colorful candies. Oh, and we can't forget our special brush. Wow, you sure have one refined palette. Don't forget, the world is just full of colors. Just make sure to save some for your canvas. Looks like you made backup brushes. Good idea. This looks great, and it smells amazing. Ooh, she really gets into art. Blue, her favorite flavor. Her friends, too. Sorry, young lady. Hand it over. Well, I guess that works. He's taking this. Don't worry, she's gonna return the favor. This may look like an ordinary glue stick, and it is, but we can make a few adjustments. Empty it and fill it up with taffies. Just trim off all that excess glop. Here, why don't you take things for a quick spin? You know, I've heard of eating glue before, but I think this is an even better idea. Perfect thing to get out of a sticky situation. She really knows how to get into a good book. Uh-oh, secrets always have a way of coming out.
Hey!
Don't worry, she's got backups, like rice paper. Just make sure to add some lines. A little hole punching won't hurt either. You know, those red highlights are candy too. The perfect thing to run through this paper. Who can resist making a fruity look for each hole? Use some edible ink to draw some pictures. I wouldn't take notes. This thing isn't gonna last. Honestly, it's a shame something looks this good. Especially when it tastes even better.
Hey.
Looks like someone could use your help. Good thing there's plenty to go around. Careful, don't want to be caught passing notes. But you'll be surprised at how good it is going down. I know a lot of things have been candy today, but I don't think that includes those pencils.
Ew.
That said, today is all about candy. So I think it's time we get cracking. We can whip up something nice and sturdy. We just need a bunch of Pocky cookie sticks. Plus a marshmallow eraser to cushion things up.
Wow.
The best part? We can still write with it. Just remember to only eat from the opposite side. With pencils this good, it pays to have a spare.